Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril French Door AirFryer 360. Let's unbox it and make sure you've received everything you need to start creating delicious meals. You'll notice upon opening a recipe and a quick start guide on the inside flaps of the box. To remove the unit, we recommend gently laying the box flat on its side and carefully shimmying the unit out. Check the styrofoam protectors on each side for accessories you'll need before discarding. On this side, you'll find the fetch fork and spit accessories you'll need for the rotisserie function. Underneath the unit, you'll find your baking pan. Again, make sure you check the styrofoam for any accessories packed inside. Here you will find the grill plate handler. Don't forget to remove all packing materials, including plastic and tape. You will find the owner's manual and quick start guide. You will also find a recipe book. You will find the rotisserie spit, the fetch tool, the drip and crumb tray, the wire rack, the baking tray, the crisper tray, the grill plate, and the grill plate handle. Here is an overall look of all the accessories you should have received. If you are missing any items, make sure to check all of the packing materials one last time. And then, if you have all of those parts, you are ready to get started with your Emeril French Door AirFryer 360. For more recipes, tips, tricks, and videos like this one, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.